I would like to share with you 25 different ways to make money online. 1. Monetize your social media presence. Social media has transformed the way that we communicate on the internet and given everyone a platform to voice their opinion. If you are active on a service such as Instagram or Twitter, you may want to consider monetizing your social media presence. One way to do this is to promote products and services of other companies. Sponsored messages are common on social media and are usually tagged with #sponsored and #ads so that advertisements can be identified. Advertisers are looking for engagement with your followers, therefore you need to ensure sponsored products are relevant and be creative with how you promote the company. Otherwise, you run the risk of alienating your subscribers. Influencer marketplaces such as Aspire IQ and Upfluence are a great starting point to find sponsorships as they give you access to thousands of potential companies, but you should also look into working with companies directly. Alternatively, you can use your social media presence as a springboard to launch your own products. For example, if you post about fitness a lot, you could sell fitness-related products such as t-shirts, protein bars and water bottles. Others choose to use social media to promote online courses and their latest blog posts. Whether you sell advertisements on your social media accounts directly, or use it as a platform to promote your other interests, the goal is to keep your followers entertained whilst still making money. 2. Do micro jobs. Want to make money from your skills? Of course you do. A common way to start making money online is to sell your services on a micro-job marketplace such as Fiverr. The marketplace allows anyone to sell digital services across a number of different categories such as graphics and design, writing, videos, music, business, lifestyle and more. Micro-job marketplaces evolved from regular freelancer marketplaces that businesses use. The lines between both platforms has blurred a little over the years as companies adapt to an ever-changing landscape, but generally speaking, the jobs on websites such as Fiverr are small tasks that are quick to complete. For example, you could offer to write a blog post, design a logo, write messages for a company's social media campaign or produce a short video for YouTube. The general idea is that you make money from many small jobs rather than one large job. Be aware, however, that micro-job websites such as Fiverr can be extremely competitive. Therefore, in the beginning, you may have to reduce your rates until you establish yourself as a reliable freelancer. 3. Complete online surveys. You are not going to make a career out of it, but if you are just looking for a little extra cash on the side, you may want to consider doing online surveys through companies such as Swagbucks, OnePoll, and Taluna. These companies reward consumers for giving vital customer insights into brands, products and services. Some companies do pay cash, but it is more common to be sent gift cards and free products for testing. Many online polling services offer rewards for performing other tasks too. For example, you may be asked to download an iOS app or Android app and give feedback. If you don't mind another company tracking your online habits, you can also earn cash using a predefined search engines. 4. Test websites and apps for others. Another way you can provide insights to companies is to test the user experience of websites and apps. As a tester, you will typically be required to download a testing application to your computer, tablet or smartphone. You will then be asked to perform a series of tasks, with most tests taking 10 to 20 minutes to complete. For example, you may be asked to find a product in an online store and go through the checkout process. Don't worry, you are not expected to buy anything. You are simply testing websites and applications so that the developers can fix usability issues and improve the user experience for customers. The amount of money you can make from testing varies from service to service. Testing time, for example, states that you can earn £60 per hour, whilst user testing, user feel, and Try My UI state that you can earn $10 per test. Testing websites and apps is not going to make you a millionaire, but it is a simple way to make a little extra cash on the side. 5. Launch a blog. Online surveys and testing can give you a taste of what it is like to make money on the internet. However, if you are looking for a long-term return, you should look towards creating a stable business. One type of business I recommend exploring is blogging. Unlike some other types of websites, you do not need to have any technical experience to start a blog. You just need to be passionate about something. The whole process of creating a blog is straightforward. All you need to do is select a blogging platform, register a domain name, and then choose a blog hosting company. Blogs can be monetized in many different ways. If you have established a readership, you can sell banner spaces and add slots to companies. However, I have personally found affiliate marketing to be more profitable. You just have to select good products that pay a fair commission and create quality content around it. A blog is also the perfect platform to launch your own products. Whether it be ebooks, a private membership area, t-shirts, or whatever, you can use a blog to create sustainable long-term income and promote all of your online projects.